Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. eGov guide step by step how to access DFA service online. So here I'll be teaching you how to access the DFA service using your eGovPH at their app. So all you need to do is open up your app and then just need to log in. After logging in, click on NGAS right here. There you go. Press on that. After pressing on that, you can type in here DFA. Or you can just scroll down till you find the DFA right here. As you can see right now, we have caught our DFA right here. All we need to do is press on it. So this app is very useful if you want to get want to get a Philippine visa, especially if you want to do a multiple application, like you want to do a Philippine visa, MBA clearance, and all of those stuff. This app will help you fill up much more easy and faster, because once you start using this app, it will ask you about your information, and of course you need to be approved. And once you're approved, it will easily you can easily get like your Philippine visa and MBA clearance and all of those stuff very quickly using this app. So it's basically like an autofill on all of your application on the other like the, as you can see right now, the Philippine visa right here. I click on that. As you can see right now, account for approval. So this shows up because my account is still being reviewed, because I've already started what do you call this, passing my number, email, and then I just passed my ID, valid ID, and scanned my face, so they can assure that it's really me. And it will help you. Once you're approved here at eGovPH, you can easily get MBA clearance, PHP, police clearance, like Philippines visa, and all that. It will be much more easier to apply for them, because it will autofill, and you will have additional credit points, and not like a boost to your name and profile. So yeah, there you go guys. And to access the DFA website, you can just press here, so you won't get scammed to a different website that has a DFA logo in it and name. So I suggest using this, just downloading the app. After downloading the app, you can just go to their official website by just a few clicks right here. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, you can type it in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.